buggy from Tamiya, the BBX, which is the first one of the BB-01 chassis. Very exciting to open it up. Here we go.
Cool.
Look at that.
Wow, all right. That's not, I mean, for how it looks like, it's not so complex.
What we have here is the frame, I believe. This is the money shot. This is the actual upper cage in gunmetal grey.
Yep.
Both sides of it. If you look at it here, that's the base of the car. Of course, it's hard plastic with a little bit of flex. I'm trying to twist it there. It's pretty solid. It's beautifully made, nice and narrow, wide enough for one battery, and you stack your electrics as you go along. You get your driver, your classic Tamiya race car driver. In here you've got your light buckets, which are, according to the instructions, you can wire up with 5mm LED lights. Trailing rear arms, here we go, look at that, beautiful. And you can put your bolt, your bearings in there. Your front arms, of course, very nice and solid. I've seen someone already on the socials paint the trailing arms in silver.
Wow.
So it looks like a real metallic trailing arm. We have the wheels, beautiful chrome wheels.
Chrome. Wow.
They are hex, 12mm hex, and they fit beautifully, of course, into the tires. Let's segue into the tires. Here we go. So these are the front and rear tires. Front tires are ribbed, and the rear tires are square pins. Surprise, surprise. They also come with foams. Fantastic. How exciting. So you have tires that have got some lovely damping from the foams, just like a real race car. You have slightly fatter rear tires and thinner front tires. So the little side nerve bars here, they are built into the side pod of the cars, just in front of the rear tires. There's an ESC cover here. I believe that could be a receiver cover, and of course your cover for your spur gear. So they've thought of everything. Front bumper bars here, and various turnbuckle ball ends. Just your basic body mounts here. Everything you need to build a car. A slipper spur cover, and again various bits and pieces. I can see a little transponder holder there as well. So that's interestingly enough, there is just here is the holder for a fifth wheel that goes on the back of the car. So you can actually put an extra wheel on the back of the rear cage as your spare tire. Another great piece of customization. You get your 6-piece body just here. Again, this allows you so much opportunity for customization. You can paint them individually, whatever color you like. Polycarbonate paint, of course, for a bit of flex. We have amazing Tamiya stickers, vinyl stickers, reminiscent of the Hornet sticker. So again, an ode to Tamiya's heritage, little nod to the heritage, little Easter eggs in there in the BBX that hark back to Tamiya's old school racing. Really well done. You even get a template to cut your mesh for the driver's cage to show you how big you need to cut them and how you cut them. So they've thought of everything. You get the optional aerial, put a cute little flag on it, instruction manual, some 40 pages of goodness. It'll tell you how to build the car. The hardware box, let's see what's in there. Parts bag A, all the ball bearings, guys. Comes fully ball raced. Jump to bag D. Again, here we go. Some oil for your shocks, your front shocks and your rear shocks in there somewhere. and more ball bearings. So many ball bearings. Your shocks for your cars, it's all there, guys. You don't need to buy anything else. Bag B, lots more screws, turnbuckles, shock bottoms, Delrin inner shock for the shock springs, little Tamiya tools, cross tools, and again more parts and zip ties, and for your servo, of course.